Imagine being able to think through problems like a chess grandmaster, anticipate outcomes, and make decisions that consistently lead to success. That's the power of strategic thinking. And today, we're diving into mental models to think like a strategic genius. The tools that the world's greatest minds use to stay ahead of the game. Strategic thinking isn't just about being smart, it's about having the right frameworks to see the world more clearly. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful mental models that will sharpen your strategic edge. Let's get into it. First principles thinking. First principles thinking is the art of breaking things down to their fundamental truths. Imagine you're facing a big problem. Instead of using assumptions, ask, what do we absolutely know to be true? This approach, used by Elon Musk, lets you see problems without bias and create solutions from the ground up. Start by identifying core truths, then build from there. Inversion. Inversion flips your perspective by asking, what could cause this to fail? Strategic thinkers don't just aim for success, they actively avoid failure. Imagine you're launching a product. Instead of focusing solely on the positives, ask yourself, what could cause this to flop? This reversal reveals blind spots, helping you create a plan that addresses both risks and rewards. Second-order thinking. Second-order thinking goes beyond the immediate impact to consider long-term consequences. Instead of thinking, if I do this, what happens? Ask, if I do this, what happens next and beyond? This is where strategic minds excel. They don't just see the first move, they anticipate the ripple effect that follows, which is essential in avoiding unintended consequences. The Pareto Principle, 80-20th Rule. Known as the 80-20th Rule, the Pareto Principle says that 20% of actions lead to 80% of results. Strategic geniuses identify which 20% will have the most impact. Say you're managing a project with 10 tasks. Instead of doing everything equally, focus on the few tasks that will bring the greatest outcome. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters most. Occam's razor. Occam's razor tells us that the simplest solution is often the best one. When strategizing, resist overcomplicating things. If there's a straightforward way to reach your goal, choose it. Complexity often leads to inefficiencies and confusion. Strategic minds know that simplicity is powerful. These 5 mental models, first principles, inversion, second-order thinking, the Pareto Principle, and Occam's razor, aren't just theories. They're practical tools you can use daily to make clearer, sharper decisions. Start applying them, and you'll begin to see strategy in a whole new way. If you found these models helpful, make sure to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below which mental model you'll try next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.